Well, let's carry on with this. Why don't you do a duet? Just do one together, just for a bit of a laugh. Just do it as a love song, some sort of nice romantic love song about a stapler. A ballad, love song, that's roughly the same thing.
When I look at you, you're the only one I want to hold. No, baby, I'm not on the fiddle. You make me feel just like a centerfold with a staple through my middle.
When I see you, you look so at home, like a recently typed out business tone. Loose around the edges until I've stapled you.
Oh, yeah, baby, I know you're the only one. So come on and staple me with your gun.
I'll never remove it if ever we part. I've stapled together both of our hearts.
Right through our hearts.
Excellent. Very good. Excellent. All right.